Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the NVIDIA Control Panel display settings that is missing on your Windows. Let's begin. First, I want you to look for Services. Click over here, Windows Start menu, Services, select that, and I'm going to maximize this. Just click on any option here, type N. We just need to look for NVIDIA section. This one, Display Container ls, right click, and then click on restart. It will fix the issue. However, just to make sure that this won't happen every time you have your PC restarted, go ahead, right click, go to properties, and startup type should be automatic. And once you've select or made any changes, click on start and then stop, click on apply and then OK. Make sure to reboot your PC and you should now notice that your NVIDIA is now popping up on your Windows. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.